Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your plan and device settings so data works without voice. First, make sure your SIM supports mobile data. If you want no calls, ask carrier to disable voice or use a data-only eSIM. Once done, enable mobile data in settings and test a browser page. Make sure airplane mode trick, turn on flight mode, then manually re-enable Wi-Fi and mobile data, prevents incoming calls while keeping data active. Next, you tune app and network behavior so data is efficient and calls remain blocked. Go app by app and restrict background data for anything non-essential. This reduces unexpected usage. Then configure APN or a VPN profile if you need specific routing or to avoid carrier voice services. Also set a data cap and enable alerts in data usage so you don't exceed limits. These steps keep your connection focused on the apps, and finally, you validate and secure the setup to finish cleanly. Run speed and DNS tests and make a quick call attempt. There should be no ring if voice is off. If you still receive calls, make sure VoLTE LTE and Wi-Fi calling are disabled and verify the SIM profile is data only. If issues persist, reboot the device, reapply the eSIM profile, or contact the carrier. Key troubleshooting tip: disabling VoLTE LTE usually stops voice from bypassing your data, only intent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.